Hello and welcome to my channel. On this channel I teach practical skills that you can use to make money, grow your brand and expand your business. If this sounds interesting, kindly subscribe, like and share, and follow me for more business tips. I'm Lawal Kudirat. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make your own business logo. As a beginner, a new business owner, you don't need to start spending money to graphic designer to design your logo, while you can do it on your phone. Now let's go. Go to your ChatGPT, open your ChatGPT app, then give the ChatGPT the prompt that you want. Tell ChatGPT to write a prompt, 3D metallic styles for your business logo. You mention the type of your business. If you are in a fashion niche, hair niche, salon niche, baking niche, cake, ready-made wares, you tell the ChatGPT the niche that you want it to create the logo on. Now I'm through. Give a prompt, 3D metallic logo for my clothing store, Wears by YINKLAW. So it's going to give us a prompt now that we're going to use to generate our logo. This is the prompt that it generated. We are going to copy the prompt now. Long press on it. Click on select all. Then click on copy. So come down to this place where you have the plus sign, then paste it there. So now read if there is anything that you need to correct, or you don't want the color that he gave to you. You can change your color. If you have your brand color, you change the color. If it's not giving you the brand color, you change color. Now tell ChatGPT to create. Now that I've done correcting, now let's tell ChatGPT to create. Now click on the plus sign, the arrow, click on the arrow. This is lovely. Oh my god, look at it, look at it. The most beautiful aspect of this is that this logo is meant for you and for you alone. Someone else can copy you, but you cannot copy anybody. Look at it, very beautiful, very beautiful. The next thing is, if you don't like the color, you have your brand color, you can change it to your brand color. But for me, I am good to go. Look at it, very lovely. The next thing is long press, then click on the save. So it's already saved to our gallery. Another way to do this is you can go to Pinterest, go to Google, search for logo, 3D logo, and look for any design that you love that we want to recreate. So let me do the other method. Go to your click on this arrow sign to take you to your gallery. Click on picture. Now look for the design that you want to recreate. Let me do this. Now tell ChatGPT to give a prompt to recreate this. Give me prompts to recreate this logo design. Let's see the prompt that ChatGPT is going to generate for us. So that's where we are going to work on. We are going to work on. Now he has given us the prompts. The next thing is to copy the prompts. Click on select all. Click on copy. Then bring it back to ChatGPT for correction. Paste it here. So check it and do the necessary correction. There's not much correction there. He has already changed the name on my behalf. He has changed the name to my brand name. So if he has not changed the name to your own brand name, change it to your brand name. If you want another color, change it to your brand color. Now let's see what is going to generate for us. Yep, he has generated it. So he helped me to change it to my brand name. So if you are doing your own, pick a logo from Pinterest, Google Chrome, or anywhere, and you want to recreate it. When you bring it here to ChatGPT, after giving you the prompts, you look at it, do the correction, put your brand name. He did this for me. He put my brand name for me. I'm supposed to correct it, but do the needful, then allow ChatGPT. Look at this. This is what I used to recreate this. So which one will you prefer? Which one will you try, from the first one or this second one? So let me know in the comment section. I'll put the two prompts there. You can use to practice yours. Thank you if you are watched to this level. I remain your host, Lawal Kudrat. Feel free to subscribe, like and share, and follow me for more business tips. See you in the next video. Bye bye.